Hey there, it's Andy with Reverb, and today I'd like to introduce you to a company that not only has their own unique line of effects pedals, but an amplifier that really brings out the best in your playing. Of course, I'm talking about Dusky Electronics. Today we'll be focusing on 3 of their products and showing just how well they sound together. Presenting the Mandorla Colored Boost, the Hypatia Fuzz, and their cornerstone release, the D2O Amplifier. With a name that derives from deuterium oxide, or heavy water, the D2O has a heavy but clear sound that keeps up with pedals or satisfies those looking for a simple yet tweakable amp that can carry its own weight. The unique EQ contains independent bass and treble controls that cut or boost, plus a mid-range that is located in the next gain stage. This allows classic 60s scoop, tweed-like grind, and more when utilizing the high-frequency cut, which is located in the power amp section. Let's start off with a loud and clean setting from the D2O. Notice I've backed off on the mids and increased the cut a little bit to shave off some of the hair in the power amp section. I'll then hit it hard with a clean boost from the Mandorla. The Mandorla is a boost pedal that proudly colors your tone with even order harmonic distortion. With vintage treble booster inspiration, this MOSFET-based boost imparts your tone with the sweetness of a Tweed-era amp. This distortion without heavy clipping can help push an amp over the edge, or when used in a subtle fashion, embellish all things you didn't know you were missing. Using the DIY Baz fuzz circuit for inspiration, the Hypatia has a wide gain range that remains musical in the most extreme settings. This pedal starts by using a uniquely designed input buffer and MOSFET-based output buffer that not only pushes your amp, but responds naturally to your instrument's incoming signal, no matter where it's placed in the chain. Turn up the heat for gain from classic rock to doomsday bloom, with a raw, ragged sound and transistor-like sag. And the term robust keeps coming to mind with the D2O. I have the volume up a lot higher now, and I've cranked up the mids and backed off on the bass for a classic British tone. I'm going to push it hard with some clean boost and some fuzz, but I've kept it tighter by backing off on the meat controls on both pedals. Well, there's a closer look at Dusky Electronics, and you can find these handmade pedals and amps straight from North Carolina right here on Reverb. Thanks for watching.